Good morning, YouTube family. You can probably tell by the smile on my face, today is a really exciting day. Nearly 7 months after leaving the beautiful West African paradise, which I'm lucky enough to call my home in Accra, Ghana, today I start my journey to return. So welcome to episode 1, season 4 of Ghana Vlogs. Just a quick little outfit tour before we get going. Got some white sneakers on, some really nice pants, a white shirt, and then a blue blazer. Got the mouth mask as always, got the bag, and cannot wait to finally be in Ghana. And just like that, you can see from behind me, I am now at the central station. From here, I have to take a train all the way into Brussels because there I'm getting my flight to take me to Accra, Ghana. It's actually super exciting. I was actually only meant to fly out next week, Thursday. It is now Wednesday, the week before, Wednesday, the 21st. And I was actually then, when I changed my ticket from last week, I changed it actually to tomorrow. Last night, 12 o'clock, lying in bed, I just gave my mom a call. I was like, Mom, I can't wait any longer to get to Ghana. Can you get me on the next available flight? She said, tomorrow morning, there's a flight to get to Ghana the following day. I was like, let's do it. That brings us to right now. Gonna go down, find the station, platform I need to be at, and then from there, off to Brussels Airport. Just got to the Brussels airport right now. You can see behind me, it is crazy busy. There are some planes taking off in the background. The train right here was actually extremely busy, very, very hot. So I'm sweating like crazy. It's around 24 degrees right now, which is not really the normal for Brussels, but I'm just so excited to get back to Accra, get back to my family. So if you're new here, smash that subscribe button so we can grow together, get better together, and improve little by little every single day while spreading Ghana, while spreading Africa to the world. Like I was saying, last night at midnight I decided to take the flight out today. 1 o'clock this morning I was packing. I was up at 6 o'clock to iron my clothes that I need to wear today, so if they're a little bit creased, that is the reason why. But gonna go wait in the line now with everyone. They obviously do the checks to make sure you got all your COVID certificates, got everything like that, and then onto the plane we go. The issue was because I changed flights so rapidly at 12 o'clock in the morning, 12 last night I changed flights, that my OK to board was not in the system, so therefore it's showing that I'm denied entry into Ghana and I cannot enter Ghana. So an hour and a half later we managed to sort that out. Then when it came to my PCR test, on my app with the barcode and everything, it said a nucleic acid amplification test. Emirates will only accept a qPCR test. So that was a whole nother issue, but I made sure I went to get a qPCR test. That's what I did. And then going through the website again, I found another section that with this app, it's only for Europe, but my qPCR test I can download and then use to get on the plane. So that is what I did. So I was a little bit nervous because it takes so long to get a test, and I thought everything would then be pushed and they didn't want to allow me onto the plane, didn't want to board me. But then luckily it all managed to get sorted. Got the seat, sitting in 2K, and the the Brussels to Dubai flight is a completely enclosed first class, so it's absolutely incredible. Cannot wait. Flown it a few times, absolutely love it, but can't wait to take everyone with me and show everyone it. But 3 things just as a disclaimer. Number 1, I did not pay full fare for this ticket. Number 2, I do not get access to the lounges, and number 3, I can get offloaded at any time. So it's quite an acceleration, quite an adrenaline rush, but wouldn't have it any other way. Get to travel and absolutely love it. Quick little update, this is where I'm sitting. As you can see, there's no one really around me, so I can film, don't have to worry about getting in trouble about that. And the Emirates plane you probably cannot see, but the tail is just sticking out there, so I've got 3 gates down there and then it's ready. But I quickly just went to the restaurant and grabbed some food. So I got like a mozzarella and pesto and tomato type sandwich. I've got a Sprite. I'm just going to sit here, and then I have around 40 minutes before the flight, so I'm going to dig into this right now. We got the tickets. We just went through the final check, so that means onto the plane we go, first class. Always grateful. Can't wait.
Hello there. That is 2K, Mr. Wesley. Just on this side. Hello.
Hello there, hi. Very good, thanks to yourself. Thank you. Hello, Mom. I'm on board finally, so yeah, as you sent the message, I was just coming. I just had some water very quickly, and then obviously 2K, got that one next to me, and then yeah, it should be a nice flight. And then please I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah. This one's a nice one. Yeah, correct. Same as last time. Gonna have a seat. There were some M&M's and stuff, so I'll probably eat some of those and then I'll go sleep. Yeah, if they have, then I'll definitely put them on. Love you millions, and then I'll let you know as soon as I land in Dubai and in the lounge and everything like that.
How are you?
Hello.
So Wesley?
Yes.
Yes, how are you today?
Very good,
You're
thanks, and yourself?
I'm very good. Ahmed, I'm the flight purser.
Very nice to meet you.
Please, if there's anything, let me know at any time. The only thing is that I would like to, because I believe as you are in staff
Yes, well, my mom.
ticket.
Yeah.
So unfortunately there's no catering first class today.
I was
However,
prepared for that.
yeah,
so
we do have the business class. I'm sorry I didn't have it that.
No worries at
And
all.
that would be the wine as well. Sister.
Fantastic. Thank you very
What I
much.
would request from you, if you can choose what would you like, because the reason in business class they don't have on-demand service.
Oh, okay, fantastic.
So basically they
as
will
soon
heat
as we
everything
know,
straight
rather
away.
just-
So if you want, choose whatever you'd like.
Fantastic.
I'll bring it for you and I keep it, and whenever you'd like to have it,
that would be
we'll
amazing.
prepare for you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, do you need anything at the moment?
Are there any jammies by any chance?
I'll have a look, I'll
That'd
ask
be
them, I'm sure they do.
absolutely
Do
amazing,
you have any preference in the large?
Large, but I'll take whatever they.
Yeah, I think I'll come back.
If there's a large, that'll be great.
And the stickers, yeah?
Yeah, that'll be great. Thank you.
You want to have Arabic coffee and base or?
Oh, just another date. That'd be great.
Okay,
please.
so no Arabic coffee?
No, I'm alright. Thank you very
You can
much.
take another one if you want.
Might as well then. Thank you.
Alright.
Yes.
Now, we have this, which is first class.
Okay.
The loaded is said as extra, just to let you know. So they give us basically one of each stuff.
Okay.
So when we asked, they said that it's still business class for you, but we have this one as
Okay.
extra. I don't know why.
Okay,
so if you would like to
fantastic.
also choose, because I'm gonna offer after your choice, I'll offer the other stuff as well. Who is the head captain to
fantastic.
tell him what's left from this.
Perfect,
Okay.
because I don't eat meat, so if I could get like a
Okay,
spinach,
ricotta.
that would be amazing.
No problem.
And then maybe
You have soup.
the mushroom soup would be great, and then
Salad
yeah, salad would be great also.
Okay, and as you said, no meat, so basically,
Yeah, that
Would you like to
fantastic.
prefer to have mezza maybe? Or?
Yeah, actually that sounds really nice.
Okay, so
I would actually really like that,
what I
thank
will do, I'll check because
Okay.
this would be as he chose before the mezza as well.
But if you...
No, I'll get, in this case, we will get
okay.
one because we have the opportunity now to get this extra.
Okay.
So we still
I see
can
what
get
you're
the
saying.
starter from there if this is the case, just to let you know.
Fantastic.
Okay?
That would be great.
No
then.
problem.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Really appreciate it.
No worries.
Thank you. Was a really good flight. I have about another hour before we land, so I'm gonna go get these jammies out away, put them out, put my dress clothes back on. I got a 7-hour layover in Dubai, so that's currently the plan. I didn't even finish all of my red wine I had, but that was the second or third glass. I had a lovely meal. They really hooked it up. They made a beautiful vegetarian spread. I shared it on Instagram, so if you're not following me on my Instagram, @CallumWesley, go give it a follow. It's really easy to contact me, communicate with me, and see behind the scenes and where I am in pretty much real time. So that's my plan now. I'm gonna go get changed, gonna get out of these, and then hopefully land it within an hour. And just like that, we are in Dubai, the United Arab Emirates. It is now nearly midnight and it is 39 degrees Celsius, absolutely crazy. I'm making my way to the connections counter, seeing if I need to get any more tests done or anything like that, but it's been such a flight. As you can see, no one yet has come out, they let me off first. But that's going to be the video. I have a longer wait now than the actual flight was to get me here, so I have a 9-hour wait, but gonna go get some food, get some drinks, start another video because I was editing it on the plane and it's already really long to get me to Ghana. So thank you all so much for the support. If you're new, smash that subscribe button so we can grow together, get better together, and improve little every single day while spreading Africa, while spreading positivity to the world. And Eid Mubarak to all my Muslim brothers and sisters out there. I'll see you all tomorrow.